So now we are going to solve this mathematical example 4.1, which is this problem is based on work, energy and power chapter. A man of mass 70 kg climbs on a mountain of height 200 meter. How much work will he do? So now we have to find out the work. W, given mass and height h. So we have to calculate W. Now mass is given 70 kg. 70 kg here, and the height is 200 meter. 200 meter height is given. As we know that W equal to F into S. Here F is the force and S is the distance. So we need F. How we can find the F? We know a formula, that is F equals to mg for a falling body. Now m, we see it is 70 kg, so we just write the m value 70 kg into 9.8 meter. Now you can find a value here. You see the value is 686 Newton, and the displacement is 200 meter. And if we just look into this, W equal to Fs. W equal to Fs. Just put the value here, 686 Newton and displacement 200 meter. It is given. Now we can find this answer. So this math is a bit easier.